Hello everyone, welcome to the Magic Whisk kitchen. I am Athena and today I'm going to be doing a video tutorial on some chewy, gooey and delicious chocolate chip and orange cookies. I will also be showing you a cool trick on how to achieve equal sized cookies with no measuring. At the end of this video, I will also be showing you some tips to help you with your cookies. If you do have any questions, please comment below or message me privately. That's it for me. Stay safe and have a sweet day. Tip number one is get creative with your flavors. Just because I use chocolate and orange doesn't mean that you have to. Nowadays there's loads of flavored chocolates available. You could use chili chocolate and orange or mint chocolate and lime zest, which will probably make your cookie taste like a mojito, but that's not a bad thing, right? Tip number two is freeze your cookie dough. Cookie dough freezes very well, and this recipe makes about 35 cookies, so if I bake them all, I will eat them all. After you shape them and refrigerate them, simply put them in bags, like this one. And this is perfect for any unexpected guests or cravings. Just take them straight out of the freezer and bake them in a 160-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Enjoy!